Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve my sleek bun, and I am about 5 months post relaxer. So I basically start out by detangling my hair, and then I'm going to go in with my L Organics Leave-In White Fione conditioner, and I'm just going to spray that near the very top of my hair on my new growth, as you can see, because it was just sticking up and it's very thick, which I'm really excited about. So I'm just going to spray that at the very top just to get my hair to lay down better. And then I'm going to go in with the L Organics Avocado Hair Milk, and I'm going to apply that, mainly focusing on my ends. Then next I'm going to take my aloe vera hair gel, and I'm just going to apply that to my edges just to sleek them down a bit. And then I am going to take my elastic hairband, and I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail and try to get this as sleek as possible. And I'm going to take my satin hair wrap and tie that down for about 15 minutes just to get my edges and the top of my hair to lay down better. And then I'm going to go in with my argan oil from Morocco hair oil, and I'm just going to focus that on the very ends of my hair. And then I am taking my donut hair maker that you can find at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put my hair in a bun. And you just want to take your hair and basically cover the hair donut, making sure that the foam in the hair donut is not exposed. So I'm just taking my comb just to kind of smooth it over. And then I'm going to take an elastic band and just kind of put that around the donut maker just to get that secured. And then I'm going to take the excess hair that you can see that is still out, and I'm just going to kind of twist and wrap that around. And then I'm just taking another elastic hairband to further secure the hair that I just wrapped around. And I'm just taking a few bobby pins, which you can pick up at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put a pin at the very top of the bun and also the bottom just to further secure everything. And here are the final results. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.